It's me, Nishant Pata Tech Kurshi, and I'm gonna explain you what is the business website, how to create it, and why you create it. The business website is one like identity, like a visiting card for your business, especially for online. Nowadays, everybody is coming to online. Everybody is searching on Google and and social media and social structure. So it's become simple. It become normal for people to ask or buy product or service from online. So if you are not having a website, you are missing a huge market. Second thing, that any client must gonna ask your website because they want to see about what your company is, what your product is, what is your location, what are the photograph and etc. So having a website is like a social status for any business. They must need to have the website. And now in West country, they don't take any company or business serious if they don't have any website. So remember that having a website is a very necessary, especially the business website. Many people think, oh, why don't we have just copy paste website or HTML based or some simple copy paste blog, which is really look ridiculous and very bad. I would recommend not to do that. Don't use a free hosting or free website or etc. They're totally garbage. You need a professional design website. I would recommend WordPress website. If you don't have a developer, then ask somebody. They're gonna charge you, depend upon what kind of charge, depending on what kind of website is. The charge will be like starting from 15,000 rupees, which is like 200 and $200 plus amount. The hosting depend on what kind of hosting. If you need WordPress, you need a very good quality dedicated hosting. Don't use the cheap hosting. I know that a lot of people always ask me why don't we get your hosting and etc. where we have 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees hosting, which is quite joke because WordPress need very dedicated hosting. WordPress consume a lot of resources, but at the same time the WordPress is awesome in search engine ranking. The search engine ranking is like is particular. We target keywords and etc. on Google, so you get your better ranking. It's very important. And WordPress is the best one, CMS based. So the important is that how your website is friendly for Google. Okay, so that is the first point. Second one, first point is you need a website. Second point, you need a WordPress website which is SEO friendly. Third one is you need good hosting which doesn't crash your website, doesn't slow you down, which is very compatible. And the last and fourth many people miss, which is secure. I have multiple websites for me and my client. The biggest issue is hacking. The website keep getting hacked. So what we do, we put multi-level. We have at least a 5 firewall. Yes, 5 firewall on website. The server firewall, the firewall networks, the firewalls on website, firewalls on web directories. So they're multi-layer firewalls. Not just one layer. And by doing that, we reduce the loophole in systems and make it very secure. But yeah, that consumes times and money, so we have that kind of charge. So I would recommend you must have, if you are, let's say you need something. In my couple of clients in past, I have built the lowest at 15,000 rupees per WordPress website, and hosting was around 4,900 rupees per annual, which is not lot. If it's good enough. Many people think it's quite lot, but actually it's good enough. And the thing is, it is cloud based hosting. It's not a shared based hosting, it's cloud, because the cloud is around 5 to 10 times faster. The more faster website is, the more better ranking you get. Remember that. Now what kind of thing you need for hosting website? First, you need to develop a website. Okay, before that, you must need to buy a domain which is unique name. Example, I have avan.com, Facebook have facebook.com, Google have google.com, which is called domain, which is an annual charge of around 600 to 2000 rupees, depending on what kind of domain you have. .com is quite simple one. The hosting will be around 2000 to 5000, or some will be dedicated like 10,000, 20,000, depending on what kind of use. We use WordPress cloud dedicated, which gonna be around 4,900 rupees. Okay, it will be totally secure. We will gonna manage everything for that. And the cost of creating website will be starting from 15,000 rupees. A WordPress website, you get around 10 or 20 pages, depending on what country it is. And if you want to build some complicated website like e-commerce, then it will start from 50,000 rupees per website. Yes, 50, not a 15. So max. Okay. So this is why, and I explained already what is the business website, how you create it, and what kind of business website you need. Okay. uh, please like and share our channel, and please watch other videos. And today is Dhanteras and Diwali, so happy Diwali and happy Dhanteras. Thank you.